In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vehicle number in Zoho Invoice. Whether it's for your company's fleet or your client's vehicles, adding a vehicle number to your invoice PDFs is simple and straightforward. This customization can streamline the invoicing process and make your documentation more comprehensive. Let's dive into how you can set this up using custom fields. First, you'll need to navigate to the right section within Zoho Invoice. Start by heading to the Settings. From there, find and select Preferences, and then click on Invoices. This will bring you to the section where we can customize fields according to our specific needs. Look out for the Field Customization option, which is where we'll be making our changes. Now that you're in the right place, let's add a new custom field that will hold your vehicle number information. You'll see a button or link labeled as Plus New Custom Field. Click on that to begin the process of creating a field that is uniquely suited to your needs. While you're setting this up, it's essential to name the field something that accurately describes its content. A straightforward label like Vehicle Number works perfectly, keeping it clear and recognizable. Next, you'll have to decide on the data type for this custom field. Since a vehicle number usually consists of letters and numbers, selecting text as your data type is a good fit. Knowing the type of data you're working with ensures that the field functions correctly without any hiccups down the line. Once you've selected the data type, you should also enable the option to show in all PDF. This step is crucial as it ensures that the vehicle number will be visible whenever an invoice PDF is generated. After you've made these decisions and configurations, don't forget to save your changes. This saves your work and makes sure all your settings are applied moving forward. It might seem straightforward, but hitting that Save button is what seals the deal and activates the field on your invoices. Now, with your custom field created and ready to go, you'll see this new addition whenever you're creating invoices in Zoho. As you fill out the invoice details, simply enter the appropriate vehicle number into the custom field you just created. By doing so, the vehicle number will automatically be included and displayed on the invoice PDF, ensuring that all relevant information is easily accessible to whoever receives the invoice. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can conveniently include vehicle numbers on your invoices, making them both professional and informative. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing with Zoho.